Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I pan-seared my pork chop. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now, let us cook. Here I have my pork chop and here I have my seasons. Now to season it, I'm using some onion powder. I have Cajun season here. I have meat season here, paprika, parsley flakes, pepper flakes, and here we have some rosemary, dried rosemary to be exact. First, I'm just gonna add some oil to this, just so that the season can stick to the meat a little bit. I just want to rub the oil all over. I'm just going to mix the seasons all together. Just combine everything, guys. Yeah. And when I tell you this pork chop is going to be so flavorful, so I'm actually going to be pan-searing this pork chop on the stove. And you want to add your season. And you want to press the season on the pork chop. I just want to sear it for a couple minutes, then I think I'll finish it off in the oven because I don't want it to burn. So yeah. Just also go around the edges. And you guys can go ahead and leave this to marinate. And look how beautiful this is, guys. I think I'm gonna leave this to marinate for about 20 minutes or so. But for you guys, if you have the time, you can go ahead and marinate your meat, you know, in advance, a couple hours in advance. Okay, here it is. And I'm just going to plastic wrap this and leave it to marinate, as I mentioned, for about 20 minutes. Oh guys, I'm just gonna remove the film. So now guys, in a skillet on medium heat, I'm just adding my pork chop. Now I'm gonna allow this to sear for about 3 minutes until they are golden on each side. So now guys, as I mentioned, I'm just gonna flip it over and allow it to sear on the other side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now guys, what you see me doing here is that I'm rendering the fat on each side, and I'm just going to sear that for about a minute on each side, guys, until they're also golden. Guys, once the pork chop reaches an internal temperature of 135 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, we're gonna remove that from the heat. And this was an amazing main course, guys. You guys can go ahead and serve this with rice, mashed potatoes, whatever carb you guys have, or vegetables. And this is the final product, guys. I do love you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. Turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. And I love you guys so much for stopping by once more. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.